Hello, welcome back everybody. It's Brangans here, your favorite math tutor. In this episode, we're going to be interpreting graphs of functions. Interpreting graphs is just, I cannot stress enough how important it is. Graphs is just data representation at its, well, that's what it is. It's data representation, and being able to interpret your data and understand what's happening is just so important. So let's get started with some of these basic problems. Okay, in the graph above, f of 0 equals 7. What is the value of f of 4? So f of 0 equals 7. What is the value of f of 4? Well, let's zoom in on our graph a little bit. What do we see? So at 0, what is this saying? Whenever our y value, or whenever our x value is 0, our y value equals 7. So this point right here is 7 on the y-axis. And then what is f of 4? Well, let's count over 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. And we're looking for this value. Well, look, it's on the same line. So this value is also going to be 7. Excellent. Clear our board. The above graph contains two straight lines. If f of, where's my pen? If f of 5, come on pen, alright, if f of 5 equals 20, what is the value of f of 6? What is the value of f of 6? Okay. F of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 20. So this apex of our triangle is 20. What is the value of f of 6? What is this value here? Okay. Well, we see we have a steady increase and then a steady decrease. And what else do we see? Well, at 0, we're at 0. And then when we go 5 units, we're at 20. So how far up are we going each time? Well, in 5 steps, we'll be at an apex of 20. So that means we're going up four steps each time. Does that make sense? So we're at 0, then we're at 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So whenever we go back down, we can see that we're decreasing at the same rate. And so we're going to be going down. And what does this line up with? It lines up with the 16. So f of 6 must be 16. All right. Excellent. What does this one say? If the graph consists of two straight lines, if f of 1 equals 5, what is the value of f of 9? All right, this value looks really similar to our last problem. So we have f of 1 right here, and f of 9 is directly across from it. So this will be f of 9, and this is f of 1. So you can see that they share the same y value. So what did the problem say f of 1 was? It said f of 1 was 5, and so that means f of 9 must also be 5. Excellent. Clear our board. What does this one say? The above graph represents an algebraic function that is defined on the domain from 0 to 10. If f of 2 equals 3 and f of 3 equals 5, how many solutions are there for f of x equal to 1? F of x equal to 1. What did it say again? F of 2 is 3 and f of 3 is 5. Let's write that down. F of 2 equals 3 and f of 3 equals 5. So 1, 2. We have this value here. And this is at 3. And then f of 3 starts here. and this is at the y value of 5. The question was asking us, when will the y value be 1 for how many points? Well, it's just asking how many points, but it's not asking for which particular points. So we know 1 is going to be around here, the value 1, and then if we draw a line, here let me change colors. If we draw a line from 1 all the way across, this will tell us our answer, right? We see that we have a value 1 of whenever f of x is whatever this value is, and whenever f of x is whatever this value is. It seems to be a little bit less than 10 and a little bit less than 7. So there's 2 possible times f of x will be 1. So we're going to say 2. Excellent. What's our last problem for the day? In the above graph, f of 0 equals 3. What is the value of f of 9? So we have f of 0 to be 3. F of 9 equals what? So f of 0 is 3. So this point where the function starts at 0, the y value is 3, and then f of 9 is here. Let's go all the way. Well, it crosses the x-axis. This is an x-intercept, so the y value is what? The y value is 0. So f of 9 must be 0. All right, guys. This was interpreting graphs of functions. There you go. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below. Do all that good stuff. Post notifications on. All that stuff. If there's any particular math topic you want covered, practice problems, whatever, send me a direct message, email me, comment below, whatever. Get a hold of me, and I promise I'll do a video on whatever you're asking for. Till next time, guys. Take care.